We outside. We at Zaxby's. I'm gonna shock y'all. I'm gonna have a salad. Yep, I said it. I said it. Yep, I hear that salads are good. So, you know, I'll see if it's gonna get me right. You know, I'm gonna see if it's gonna get me right. So here we go.
The Zax salad, the house. Let's go fried. I'm gonna try fried. Let me have a peach. You still have the peach?
Juicy, yes.
Yes. Let me try. Let me get a small one.
Okay. And what's the dressings for your salad?
Do you have Thousand Island?
No, we only have ranch.
Let me get a honey mustard.
Looking good for the 1323. Man, they even put a little bit of toast on here. They cut in two. I could have sworn the toast used to be thicker than this. That's what they used to use. Now it look like this Wonder Bread slices. Come on now. Come on now, Zaxby. The slices looking really thin. They're not so thick like they used to be. I think they could have gave me a little bit more chicken, but, you know, and I wanted Thousand Island too. How you ain't got no Thousand Island? Zaxby, you know black folks love Thousand Island. Why you ain't got no Thousand Island? Come on now. Honey mustard, bruh? All right, we're gonna see what it hitting like though. Let's put this on here. Get a generous amount. Make sure every inch, even though I'm gonna mix it up anyway, but I still just wanted to, you know, get evenly coated. And I like breaking my bread up in bite-sized pieces, you know, like little croutons, you know, look like little croutons, yeah, and stuff.
눈 뜨면 눈부신 아침 햇살과 모닝콜로 너와 시작하는 하루 마치 내 인생의 포커스가 지금에 맞춰진
See
걸까.
what all Zaxby put in here. We got, you know, we got the toast, of course. They gave me some little cucumbers, some little tomatoes, lettuce, of course. Chicken, yeah. You know that Zax chicken be. Let me try that Zax. Chicken good. Chicken's good. Got me some cheese as well. Some I guess it's like some fried, like the French's onions I got on here. They gave me some of that as well. Only thing that I think is missing from here would maybe be some little red onions or something. I don't know. I probably could have asked that at the window, but you know, I didn't bother to. So let me mix this up, mix it all up like gumbo. Man, I promise you that I don't have enough dressing on here. It's like, it's gonna be some dry salad right here. More dressing in here? I don't know. Should I ask for another pack? And they gave me 3 packs, so I don't get it. Like, how there's not in. Boy, I tell you. Wow. Good thing I got this drink. I'll be choking on this salad, man. Like, what's going on? Let's see though. See what it's like. generous amount of this. Get some chicken on here. Got some tomatoes. Got some chicken. Got some chicken, tomatoes, lettuce. Try to get this bread as well. Some of that bread. Hold up. Nah. The lettuce is crunchy. The chicken so crispy. It's seasoned right. Now that I'm thinking about it, I wouldn't want I don't like my salad too sloppy, too much dressing. But it could use just a little bit more. But I think it's overall it's pretty good. The chicken could be a little bit more, a little bit more chicken would be good, Zaxby. A bit more chicken, man. Like, it's probably one tender you all use on here. I know y'all chicken good, you don't give it away like that, but I guess I gotta pay for extra chicken next time I get it. How about that? Okay. I see what it is. I just ordered extra chicken. Yeah. I'll definitely give it an 8.5. Definitely. Some good salad. Some good salad right here. I thought I'd let them know. Alright. I don't even think about subscribing. But thanks. Peace. I can't find it. So let's try this peach iced tea or peach sweet tea because I'm in the South. Really, Zaxby? Really? This ain't nothing but sweet tea with peach flavoring, peach syrup. I'm in the peach state and ain't got no real peaches in here. That's one thing I can say for Chick-fil-A. You get lemonade, you're gonna get some lemons in it. At least some lemon pulp. But I don't taste no peach in this peach sweet tea, Zaxby. All right, bye.